Let's see what we can find here at the Salvation Army. Too rough a shape.
Just looking closely for cracks, this bat has some value.
Looking for some cracks, but I don't see any. That's two good bats right there. Easton Youth Baseball.
Be sure to look up all youth baseball bats because some of them aren't worth anything. But there are some that are worth good money, and they must have the USA logo, as shown here. This Easton Youth bat had no value. Gotta keep looking.
$7.99 for an Adidas. $12 listed. Yeah, they're all like $10, $11, $12 plus shipping. No money in that. I don't buy rollerblades anymore.
There's some great money in ball gloves, especially first baseman's mitts and catcher's mitts. Be on the lookout.
Why I don't buy rollerblades is because they just haven't worked for me. I don't know much about them. Nor do I want to, I guess. $5. No.
I just can't drive by a thrift store without stopping, and this was a good little stop. What was I in there, 15, 20 minutes? Picked up those two bats. We sold them for $30 and $37.77 each. I paid a total of $6.34 for them, so that left us a profit of $61.43. Plus, we charged $12.23 on each of them for shipping. That came out to $24.46. The actual cost to ship them to them was $16.85, so that made us $7.61. So a 15, 20-minute stop and maybe 15-20 minutes to list those 2 bats, we cleared a profit of $69.04. I love it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, please. We'd love to have you, and click that like button.